Is right here, my new listing, 40314 Lakeview. This is a great house. It's 4 beds, 3 baths, almost 2,500 square foot. It's not a lakefront, but it feels like a lakefront. You're right on the water. You have a dock. Everything's within walking distance, unobstructed views. Let's take a look, and then also walk down to the dock so you can see that. We'll start from the outside and work our way around. Here's the driveway coming in. So to the right of there is going to be your easement for the dock, 40314 Lakeview. Tons of parking. Let me show you guys. So you got ample parking here. And then on the side, RV parking, smart car, whatever you want. Smart car. What I meant to say was car charger. All right. So let's go down. They're doing some work across the street. But right here, it's going to be your easement. This is the way to your dock. Look how close this lake is, guys. Look at that view coming up. Is that not insane? And the dock's actually pretty close. We get a good winter. They'll bring it back in a little bit. But this is all part of your walkway to it. And this is the dock that comes with the house. There's some construction to the left of us, building a new lakefront over there. So if you hear the noise in the background, that's what we got going on. The bird is taking off. So the neighbors are going to move their docks out a little further. This one needs to be moved out to right there, but you're getting almost 2,500 square feet, 4 bed, 3 bath, practically a lakefront with your own dock for under 1.4, which is insane. All right, let's go inside. I'm gonna show you your views from the back deck. And the views upstairs are pretty spectacular. I'll show you that as well. So you got composite decking, slider into the front, and slider into the kitchen. Tons of deck space. Look at that view. Is that not insane? And what's cool too, you know, a little spa here. It's in good condition. Cover needs to be replaced, but your privacy is behind this fence line. I'll walk around for you guys. We're inside again. Got a nice skylight, front room. Has an open floor plan. Kitchen's over there. Nice, huge dining room table where all your guests are over. Got a fireplace here. They whitewashed the brick. Custom hearth tile. It's a cool retro chair. And got a little galley window there. And here's one of the windows you saw from the deck. Your view. Nice little bar stools. Cabinets are in decent condition. Granite countertops. You have 2 sinks, so you use as a prep sink, wash your hands sink, whatever. And then you have dual sink here. Even in this one as a prep sink, they have a garbage disposal in it. So you can have someone here prepping everything, getting ready for the chef. Stainless steel appliances, except the microwave is white. Everything else is newer. Recessed lighting everywhere. You'll notice this door is locked for the owners. They rent it, so they want to have a personal one. Then you have another storage there. This house has a lot of storage. Closets everywhere. Excuse that mess. So we're downstairs. I'll show you the upstairs in a minute, but nicely done. Renovated bathroom. Custom tile. Looks like a newer tub. A little niche there. It's a cool vanity. Granite. You got the LVP flooring. House has a solid core 6-panel doors. This main level to your left, washer and dryer here. Another closet for more storage in the hallway. What's trippy is this bathroom. There's no technically primary ensuite. This bathroom acts like one. You have his and her sinks, custom river rock style countertop, and kind of a retro tile wall, glass wall. You have your toilet there. What's cool, you have a soaking tub here. Have peekaboo lake views out of that window. And then you also have a little bench here with a really nice tall shower. Like I said before, I'm 6'7". This shower head's probably a little over 7.5 feet. Shower I don't have to duck in. Take that any day of the week. On this main level, you have 2 bedrooms, 2 baths. Here's one. They have a little desk, so you have amenity for your Airbnb workstation. Nice closet. Yeah, oil those doors. Cool little bear. Just a normal generic furnishing setup in here. This one is towards the front of the house. That's where the front door is, off that deck. But it's a full, looks like a king, maybe a queen. This is massive. So you thought it was just like a little small walk-in, or not even a walk-in. They have a whole setup here for the kids, toys. Some people are over here, they have stuff to play with. All right. Huh, I like how they did that for their lake house. Okay, we're gonna go upstairs. One of the smoke alarms are going off, so excuse that in the video. It's too high to get to right now, so I'll have to replace that. What's cool is up here was the most recently renovated area of the house. So you got tall ceilings, TNG ceilings, big fan, and then boom. Wait till that's all covered in snow during the winter. That's gonna look amazing. New windows here. Yeah, so 2,500 square foot home, practically on the water, with that view in the dock. 1.4. It's a great value. You get the benefits of being a lakefront, but not the price. Nice little wet bar area. Chill your wine in there. Sink, more wine holders. Like I said, this is the one area that was recently renovated. Look at the jukebox. That's cool. There's a smoke alarm. Another big closet up here. Practically whatever you want with it here. There's the back of the wine fridge. I like how they did that, so it's tucked away. So this is probably the area I would spend the most time in. Just chilling, looking at the lake. Another table, plenty of room. It's nice and light up here too. Yes, we hear you, alarm. This is cool. His and her sinks as well. Custom tile floor. Nice big shower. Hear the rock theme from downstairs. Your little niche. Tastefully done. Okay. Smart thermostats throughout. More storage. Plenty of room. Look at a full bunk setup in here. What's cool about up here, these rooms have tall ceilings too. And then another one of these massive closets. So if multiple babies, families come up. Oh, I found it. It's in this room. Areas for them. Like I said, look how bright this is in here. Nice vaulted ceilings. This one's decent size, not as big as the other one. What can you get for 1.4 on the water with the dock, close to the village? They walk to the village when they go out. Don't have to drive. You know, you can just sit here, look at the lights. 4 bed, 3 bath, almost 2,500 square feet. RV parking, charger, you name it, it has it. If you have more questions about this property or any property up here in Big Bear, feel free to email me, Brad at bradfordkinggroup.com, or you can text our team line direct or call 909-683-1502.